My name is Robert McArthur, and I'm an old grader guy with nearly 40 years working within the highway maintenance industry. I am a farmer's son who worked my way down to Purgatory, Colorado from Prudhoe Bay, Alaska, involved with everything from avalanche mitigation to public administration. Having worked primarily for local and state DOTs, it has always been tough over the years to compete with private companies for talent. Recently, however, finding ability anywhere is the new challenge. During the last century, our highway system was built primarily by displaced farm kids and discharged Army grunts. They did not mind the hard work and inclement outdoor conditions in an effort to provide for their families. Today, all the small farms have been replaced by agricultural corporations, and the Grange kids are getting their MBA at Harvard. The Army grunts of yesteryear are gone too, replaced by modern equipment and technology. Finding highway maintenance talent is elusive, and finding good managers to lead them is even more perplexing. It is very difficult to lead a group of skilled laborers if they do not respect their leader. A supervisor has to have proven experience in the field to lead the charge. Highway maintenance technicians are now smarter than ever, and the charge of the Light Brigade is not up for reenactment. At the same time, the legal and risk management community has radically changed the way we do business. For supervisory and management positions, it is no longer good enough to be a great equipment operator with tenure. The boomer exodus is upon us, and employers are looking to replace them with a hybrid. Someone who possesses both the necessary experience to lead and the formal education to succeed. They are willing to invest in their own staff as part of succession planning, but that does not mean that they will not look outside their own agency for talent. To satisfy the academic side of the equation, employers are seeking a standardized credential, something that levels the playing field and simplifies the hiring process. Not unlike the Coast Guard, graduates would be able to perform their functions in any conditions anywhere in the country. This academic tool would open the door to talent from across the nation, assuring the cream of the crop could compete anywhere. Enter a first-in-the-nation highway maintenance management degree program from Front Range Community College in Colorado. This online associate degree program offers college-level education, management and leadership classes, and industry-specific training. Credit can also be applied through prior learning assessment and institutional crosswalks. This vocational academic degree can be earned online while the employee is working within the industry, never missing a day of work. While taking advantage of reimbursable tuitions, a student can literally earn their field experience while they complete the degree, without incurring a student loan. As an employer, finding pre-qualified applicants makes fishing for the top 5 candidates much easier and expeditious. Having this degree program as a prerequisite for the job posting streamlines the entire process and adds a level of continuity that the highway maintenance industry has not seen. Our managers and supervisors need to be good leaders, communicating well up and down the chain of command with a grasp of our vocabulary. Succession planning within my agency is important and gives my staff a leg up when competing for promotions. Through career path succession planning, they need to be looking at enrolling in the Highway Maintenance Management degree program. For the record, I am enrolled in the Colorado program with completion in 2021. I calculate that if I am going to interview these Front Range Community College graduates as potential candidates for employment, I better know where they have been.